Workforce Solutions Taxoma, Training Assistance, Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, WIOA. WIOA assists eligible customers in gaining marketable skills in a career path by developing employment plans that may lead to funding for training and other employment-related services. Types of services. Career services. Assessment of skills and supportive service needs. Job search, job placement, and career counseling. Labor market information. Internships and work experiences linked to careers. Financial literacy, and follow-up services. Types of services. Training services. Funding for training directly linked to employment opportunities in the area. Job readiness training, adult education and literacy training, occupational training, college or vocational, and apprenticeships. What training programs are approved in Taxoma? Training programs approved for sponsorship can be found on the state website at www.twc.state.tx.us. Click on Explore Training Opportunities, then click on Search for approved WIA training providers. How are programs approved? Schools submit applications for programs that they want approved for sponsorship. The Taxoma Workforce Board then sends these applications to Austin for final approval. What are some of the requirements to receive services? WIOA sponsorship is based on individual eligibility, suitability, and funding availability. WIOA is not an entitlement program. What is suitability? Financial stability, family support, transferable skills, and you must have completed all of your training prerequisites. Example, nursing. General eligibility information. You must have U.S. citizenship or alien status, 18 or older and less qualifying for the youth program. You must be registered with Selective Service if male born on or after January 1st of 1960. Documentation. General personal documentation that will be needed. A valid driver's license, social security card, and a birth certificate. If you cannot locate these documents, please visit with a Workforce Solutions Taxoma staff member to discuss other documents that can be used. School documentation that may be needed. Proof that you have applied for the Pell Grant or the FAFSA. You can apply for that at www.fafsa.ed.gov. You'll need your TSI scores, if required by your school, degree plan or certificate plan, 2-year letter of completion, copy of previous college transcripts if you have played previous college, and letter of acceptance from the training institution. How do you qualify for WIOA? If you fit one of these categories, you may be eligible for funding assistance. Dislocated worker. Proof of income is not required for eligible dislocated workers. Low-income adult or youth. Eligibility for dislocated workers. A dislocated worker is an individual who has been permanently laid off from their job within the last 2 years due to no fault of their own. That could be a layoff, reduction of force, business closure, loss of self-employment, displaced homemaker, and spouses of members of the armed forces on active duty. A dislocated worker usually does not include individuals who have been terminated, fired, or retired from their employment. And again, income documentation is not required for dislocated worker eligibility. Eligibility for adults. low-income adults, if you are receiving certain public assistance, or based on the number of people in your family and your family's income for the last 6 months. Please visit with a Workforce Solutions Texoma staff member to discuss your eligibility. Eligibility: youth. Youth between the ages of 16 and 24 may be eligible if they meet one of the following criteria: school dropout, no high school diploma or GED, offender, homeless, pregnant or parenting, foster care or former foster care, individual with a disability, and low income. If approved for WIOA training assistance, you may be eligible for assistance with the following: tuition and required textbooks, travel reimbursement to and from school, child care assistance as needed, required items such as uniform, testing, tools, shots, supplies, and equipment. Training policy. WIOA will only sponsor up to 2 years of training. You must be enrolled in school full-time if classes are available until your training is completed. You may be approved to attend school for only 9 semester hours if you are employed. However, you must still be able to complete the training within the 2-year time limit. WIOA program. Now what do I do? Do you feel that you fit into one of the 3 categories: dislocated worker, low-income adult, or youth? If yes, complete the online pre-screen application after this video and call your local workforce center in Cook, Fannin, or Grayson to schedule an appointment to start the WIOA enrollment process. Then, go to the state's eligible training provider system and check out the approved training you might want to attend at www.twc.state.tx.us. Then click on Explore Training Opportunities. Then you would click on Search for approved WIA training providers. Start gathering your general personal documentation like birth certificate, Social Security card, and your school documentation, proof of Pell Grant, degree plan, letter of acceptance. Non-traditional employment information. In compliance with the 1991 Non-Traditional Employment for Women Act, the following is a list of non-traditional training programs available through the WIOA program through Workforce Solutions Texoma. Those occupations are electrical power line installers and repairs, welding, soldering, and brazing workers, heavy and tractor-trailer truck drivers, machinists, operating engineers and other construction equipment operators, electricians, heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers, plumbers, pipe fitters, and steam fitters. Other career assistance. Other programs that may assist you in achieving your career goal: Alabama CASHATA, Department of Assistive and Rehabilitative Services, Trade Adjustment Assistance. Alabama CASHATA Basic Eligibility. You must belong to a federally recognized tribe. You must have your CDIB card. Approval must be made through their main office for Alabama CASHATA, and Alabama CASHATA will only pay for certificate programs. Alabama CASHATA staff are available at Workforce Solutions Texoma Denison Center. Department of Assistive and Rehabilitative Services, or DARS. Their basic eligibility criteria: must have a physical or a mental disability. The disability affects your ability to work. Vocational rehabilitation services are needed in order to obtain, retain, or maintain the employment, and the individual is able to obtain and maintain a job after receiving the services. DARS representatives in their main office are at 1800 Teague Street, Suite 404, Sherman, Texas 75090. Phone number is 903-813-8200. And their website is www.dars.state.tx.us. Workforce Solutions Texoma are available in 3 locations. For Grayson, Workforce Solutions Texoma is in Denison, located at 2415 South Austin Avenue, Suite 105, Denison, Texas 75020, 903-463-9997. In Fannin, the Workforce Solutions Texoma is in Bonham. It's at 1205 East Sam Rayburn Drive, Bonham, Texas 75418. Phone number is 903-640-0222. In Cook, the Workforce Solutions Texoma in Gainesville Center is located at 900 North Grand Avenue, Suite 103, Gainesville, Texas 76240. Phone number is 940-665-1121. And of course, online at www.workforcesolutionsTexoma.com.